Grand Rising, guys, love and light. I just want to encourage somebody this morning that just stay focused and positive. Do not let your environment distract you, so you do not get to understand yourself. Spend time with yourself so you can find yourself. Enjoy nature and stay focused. Your mind is powerful. Use it wisely. Whatever you feed your mind with, that's the outcome you will get. Make sure whatever you're taking in, it is positive stuff that is good for your mental health and your well-being. It's a beautiful sunrise in this morning. Also give gratitude no matter what your circumstances or your situation. That is a great way to start your day. Give gratitude in spite of your situation. Love and light, peace out, stay focused. Remember, everything that you are looking for outside of self, it is within you.